What is the gun show loophole? Imagine walking into a large hall filled with tables showcasing various firearms, ammunition, and accessories. This scene is common at gun shows across the United States, where enthusiasts gather to buy, sell, and trade weapons. However, within this bustling environment lies a topic that often sparks debate: the gun show loophole. The gun show loophole refers to a legal situation where private sellers at gun shows can sell firearms without conducting background checks on buyers. In many states, federal law requires licensed dealers to perform background checks before selling a firearm. However, private sellers, who do not hold a federal firearms license, are not bound by the same requirement. This means that individuals can purchase guns from these sellers without undergoing the typical screening process. The origins of this loophole can be traced back to the Gun Control Act of 1968, which established regulations for licensed dealers. Over the years, various proposals have been made to close this loophole, but legislative changes have faced significant challenges. Advocates for gun control argue that closing the loophole could help prevent firearms from falling into the hands of individuals who may pose a risk to public safety. On the other hand, opponents of such measures often cite concerns about personal freedom and the rights of private sellers. The debate surrounding the gun show loophole continues to be a contentious issue in American society. It raises important questions about gun ownership, safety, and the balance between regulation and personal rights. As discussions evolve, understanding the nuances of this topic becomes increasingly essential for informed dialogue.